I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at my Parmida Ballast bypass LED replacements for fluorescent lights. You can see here I've got an old fluorescent fixture here. The ballasts aren't working anymore, the lights aren't lighting up, so I'm going to go ahead and swap out these old 4-foot fluorescent bulbs for my Parmida LED ones. So first I'm just going to take the cover off of this old fixture. And I'm going to take the old bulbs out. I'll shut the fixture off first. So here's my Parmida bulbs. You can see it's a T8 size LED tube. It's frosted, so it looks just like a traditional fluorescent, except it's LEDs instead. And it's going to replace a 32 or 48 watt bulb here. So otherwise, basically exactly the same size in terms of the length. It's got the same end pieces here, but it is also going to bypass the ballasts in your existing fixture. So even if your ballasts are not good, like mine are, this will still light up. So I'm going to go ahead and insert these into the fixture just as I would a traditional fluorescent bulb. And here they are inserted into that traditional fixture. I didn't have to swap out the fixture, just the bulbs. Even though those ballasts are gone, you can see these light up nice and bright. They're nice and secure in that fixture as well, providing tons of light. I'll just put the cover back on. And there we are good to go. And as an added bonus, these are going to use a lot less electricity than my original bulbs. Now, whereas that original bulb would have used up to 48 watts, this is actually only going to use 18 watts. So less than half of the electrical power. Still tons of light, looks great. It's working, again, despite not having those ballasts functional. And it's a really great light here up on my laundry room ceiling.